13 dead as heavy rains, landslides and flash floods lashed North India. Cash distribution for Annabhagya scheme by Karnataka government. Karnataka government will start 1,000 rural courts in Karnataka, says H.K. Patil. Kodagu records moderate rainfall, minor damages. Water level up by 4 feet in Krishna Sagar Reservoir. KSR. New set of Vande Bharat trains to get saffron and green makeover. Modi to contest LS election from South, says Nadda. International news. Zelensky smells good news from NATO summit. Goyal to visit UK for trade negotiations. Centre allows PMLA authorities to share information with GSTN. New Zealand signs trade deal with European Union. Amazon business has grown over 150% in last 3 years. Vivek Ramaswamy plays Hindu card to court Christian voters. Sports news. Yashasvi said to build on the promise. Anantapur fields to India debut. All-rounder Anusha's fairy tale ride. Archer Priyaj becomes world under-21 champion. England pull off another Headingley East to keep series alive. Unbeaten Sri Lanka win in 2023 World Cup qualifiers final. It's question time. Which business has grown over 150% in last 3 years? Keshav. Second question. For which scheme Karnataka government is distributing the cash? Vitesh. Thank you. Have a nice day.